Hey peoples, this is Epicred555 with another YouTube Dragons Exalted opening. My mom gave it to me since I was taking care of my brother. That's 2 Dragons Exalted Christmas presents that she's given me already. So, let me hold this phone real quick. Put it down. Let me open this. I always gotta open the packaging like that. It gets on my nerves, but whatever. It's a Rayquaza pack. That's G. I hope I get some good pulls, guys. Even if I don't, I'll still post the video up. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Let me pick this up. Okay, so we got a Bibarel, a Blend Energy. That's my first Blend Energy. G. Altaria, Magikarp, Hoppip, Baltoy, Electrike, Weasel, a Maractus Reverse, and my rare is in the Mola. So, that's it, guys. Epicred555. No good pulls, but still. It's my second pack, so can't expect too much, you know, pulling a Mew EX in the first pack, so. You know the drill. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks, YouTube. Peace.